Hello, my beautiful viewers. Today I am in Ruiru, Kamakis, Kenya. I want to show you this house. This is a 3-bedroom house and it is being renovated. This is Judith Down the Villages. Kindly consider subscribing to my channel if you've not done so. Let's go in and see what is happening in this house. Karibuni. Renovation refers to upgrading, repairing, or modernizing parts of your existing house. This can include painting, flooring, tiling, kitchen and bathroom updates, electrical and plumbing upgrades, structural repairs like walls, roof, ceilings, improving finishes like carpentry, lighting, and fittings. Assess your home and your goals and decide what you want to be improved. In this case, this is a 3-bedroom rental house and the owner wants to change some things before another tenant comes in. Cleaning is also very essential and there are people cleaning the house at the moment. I want us now to go in so that we can see how it looks like. This is just the outside part of the house and you can see the state, how it looks like. I think it has been empty for some times. As we go in, we will enter to the living room. This is the front door of the house. And we can see Architect Kabiro, who has designed some of the things to be changed in this house. And this is what we want to see now. The walls were plain and now they are wainscoting. That's the word I was given by Architect Kabiro. I hope I pronounced it right. And the sitting room, we just want to see or go around and see what is happening. That is a fundi who is doing wainscoting. I hope I got the word right. This is how the living room looks like. There were things which were being changed, like the curtain rod fixtures were also changed. They were a bit down and they were taken up. This is how the walls looked like before, and we want to see how Architect Kabiro has designed the TV wall area. Now this is the new TV wall designed by Architect Kabiro, as I had told you before. It is made of fluted panels, PU stones, marble sheets mounted on an MDF with backlights. You can see now how it looks like. That black area is the fluted panels. Then we have the PU stones down somewhere there. The cream, something cream there, those are the PU stones. And then this is the marble sheet. And this is the area where the TV is going to be mounted. This is the area where the TV is going to be mounted. You can see how it looks like. And it's different now from the way it was. And these are the changes that has been made in this house. Instead of just a plain wall, that is what has been made. Together with the wainscoting, you can see they are still doing the work. Architect Kabiro together with the fundi who is doing the work. Now, other changes are in the kitchen. We want to go to the kitchen so that we can see the changes which are there. When we get to the kitchen, let me show you how the walls looked like. They were tiled somewhere there near the sink. That is how the walls in the kitchen looked like. And now they are covering that. And the kitchen wall is being covered with marble contact paper. You can see those are the marble contact paper that the fundi is covering the walls. He has done most of it round. Then on the kitchen cabinets, it is going to be covered with matte black contact paper. The one is carrying, that is the matte black contact paper, which is going to cover the cabinets. The contact paper is self-adhesive and can also be used on working tops, wardrobes, and bathrooms. The kitchen cabinet with matte black contact paper is going to look like that when it is complete. They've now left for lunch, and you can see how the wainscoting work is going on. Apart from that, I want to take you to the bedroom side, which much has not been done, but I just want to share with you a bit of it. These are the bedroom side. This is one of the kids' bedroom. Nothing has been done much in the bedroom side. Most of the renovation was in the sitting room and the kitchen. That's a wardrobe in a bedroom. Then the fundi is also in the corridor doing the wainscoting in the bedroom side and another bedroom on the other side. It's a 3-bedroomed house. Within the corridor, there is a common toilet and a common bathroom. Then I want to get to, that's a bathroom and a toilet the other side. Now this is the main bedroom. Remember, it is a rental house. And we just want to see a bit of the main bedroom, how it looks like. It is ensuite. I saw like the bathroom wasn't so big. You can see the corridor getting to the main bedroom and the wardrobes and the circumference of the main bedroom. Not so bad. I think they also did some painting. Painting was done because I was seeing it look so clean, and some painting was done. Sorry for that. Cleaning is also completed, and now the place looks so clean. As I walk out, my beautiful viewers, have completed shooting the house, and I'm now on my way back. Kindly consider subscribing to my channel if you're new here once again, and I want to wish you Happy New Year 2026. Let's meet on my next video. Bye bye.